So let's go to part C, Jiren. Part C is the area of ABCD. So assuming you got the correct coordinates for part D. If you got the wrong coordinates for part D, right, your area will not be correct. So I'm going to use this example to illustrate to you the shoelace method. So the shoelace method is applicable as long as you got all the coordinates. So it can be area of a triangle. So if you got the three coordinates of the triangle, you can find the area of the triangle. So if you've got 5 corners, that means it's formed something like a pentagon. You can also use the shoelace method. Okay, so there's a few conditions for the shoelace method. Okay, so let's look at the shoelace method first. So first of all, there is a half in the formula, and then there's 2 vertical lines. Okay, so it's just a symbol. You ignore the symbol, it doesn't matter. It's just a formality. So inside the 2 vertical line, right, you're going to stack up the coordinate. So we will stack up the coordinate. Instead of X and Y, we stack it up top and bottom. Okay, so for example, I'm going to start with A. So instead of -1, 5, okay, instead of like side by side, right, I make it up and down. Okay, so this is A. So if I start with A, I got to go anti-clockwise. So the property for shoelace is it has to go anti-clockwise, opposite the clock direction. So I should go to coordinate B. So you stack the coordinate, keep on going, keep on going. So you got your A, B, C, D already. You repeat the first coordinate. So you must remember to do it clockwise, anti-clockwise, and you must repeat the first coordinate. So A, B, C, D, anti-clockwise, and then you repeat the first coordinate. So that is only the arrangement part. So let's create the shoelace. So the shoelace is created by like down, 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 up, up, up. Okay, so we will start with down first. Down, down, down. So each of the arrows represent a multiplication. So let's take a look. The blue arrow is multiplication. So Jaren, you add up all the blue arrow. So -1 times -2, that's how I get a 2. 3 times 1, that's how I get a 3. 5 times 8, that's how I get a 40. So all the down arrow added up. And then you are going to subtract the back arrow. So Jaren, the back arrow, you also add them up first. So look at the back arrow. This one is a -8. This is a 1. This is a -10. So the blue arrow is going to subtract the black arrow, the red arrow. Okay, you go and punch calculator, you will get a 26. So the blue arrow is coming down. So you got to do the coming down first. Then you subtract the red arrow. So each of the arrows will be a multiplication. So it must be down first and coming back is the red color one. Okay, so make sure you can get it first before. So if you can get this right, some students can also do it by another way. So which I'm going to write it down, then you can be trying. So Jaren, you can take a look first. So another student may tell me, I don't want to start from coordinate A. So maybe the other student will say, I want to start from coordinate B. So the other student start from coordinate B, but still go anti-clockwise. So B, C, D, and A. And then still must repeat the first coordinate. So if another student is going to do it this way, the other student will also have all the blue arrows. And the other students also have the red arrows. The other student will also get the same answer. As long as the other students still go anti-clockwise and still remember to repeat the first coordinate. So Jaren, I want you to try what the second student is doing. So you make sure you can get the 26 for the first part. And then you try exactly the same method for the second part. Okay, and I want you to see whether you still get the same answer or not.